install 1010 app on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to install your 1010 application in your iOS device. So basically I'm showing you this process in my iPad. You can also follow the same steps in your iPhone if you have that. So just simply open your device, and after that just go to your app store, and over here on the search bar just simply search for 1010 app. And as soon as you search for it, you will be able to see a 1010 application right there. Just simply click on get this red application, and after that you need to verify your Apple ID in order to install this particular application in your iOS device. Just simply go ahead and verify your Apple ID, and after that this application will be installed in your device quite easily. So this is how simple it is to install 1010 app in your iPhone or your any other iOS device. So yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.